Passive income is a way to earn money without actively working for it every day. Unlike a regular job where you need to work specific hours to get paid, passive income allows you to earn money even when you're not actively involved. Why is passive income important? Passive income helps you achieve financial freedom. It allows you to make money without constantly trading your time for it. Over time, as you build more passive income streams, you can have more control over your working less while still earning enough to cover your expenses or even build wealth.
Here are 8 ideas to start earning passive income. 1. Rental properties. Buy and rent out residential or commercial properties. Earn monthly rental income while the property's value appreciates over time.
2. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. These companies share their profits with shareholders, providing regular income. 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money to individuals or small businesses through platforms like Lending Club. Earn interest on the loans you fund.
4. Create a blog or YouTube channel. Generate ad revenue by creating engaging content. Once established, ads and affiliate marketing can provide ongoing income.
5. Digital products. Create ebooks, online courses, or printables. Sell them on platforms like Amazon or Etsy, earning money with each purchase. 6. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Invest in REITs, which allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. They pay dividends based on the income generated from real estate holdings.
7. License your photography. If you're into photography, upload your photos to stock image websites. Earn money each time someone licenses your images. 8. Automated online businesses. Set up an e-commerce store using dropshipping or print-on-demand services. Once established, these stores require minimal management and can generate steady income.
By diversifying across these different strategies, you can build multiple streams of passive income, enhancing your financial security and freedom.